living in the moment, hearts on fire, running through the night like we never tire. The city's our playground, the stars our guide. With every step, we're leaving fear behind. On the edge of reason, where we collide. In this chaos, we find our stride. We're dancing on the edge, chasing the thrill, holding on tight, bending time to our will. With every heartbeat, we're breaking the chains. In this wild world, only freedom remains. Dancing on the edge, where the shadows play. We're not afraid to fall, we'll find our way. The lights are flickering, but we're not slowing down. In the blur of the night, we won't drown. We're moving with the rhythm, lost in the beat. Dancing on the edge where the dark and light meet. On the edge of reason, where we collide. In this chaos, we find our stride. We're dancing on the edge, chasing the thrill, holding on tight, bending time to our will. With every heartbeat, we're breaking the chains. In this wild world, only freedom remains. Dancing on the edge, where the shadows play. We're not afraid to fall, we'll find our way. Between the fear and the freedom we rise. In this moment, we've got no disguise. We'll take the risk, we'll own the night. On the edge of the world, we're taking flight. Dancing on the edge, hearts in the sky. We'll keep moving forward, we'll never say goodbye. Between the fear and the freedom we rise.